Sri Gurubhe Namaha children, we welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Children, this is class 1, subject English. In English we are going to see the grammar part, common nouns. Have you heard the word noun already? If not so, let you learn from now. Okay? Noun. Okay? Tell me what is your name? When I call your name, you will say, my name is Samuel. My name is Nithura. Will you say like that? So when I call your name, you are saying your name. That is noun. So noun means it is a naming word. Okay? When I ask which a place where we are now, we are in classroom. Isn't it? We are in where, ma? Now we are in classroom. So you are saying the word which place? A place, a classroom. So it is also contained a name, isn't it? So first of all, noun means it is a naming word. Name, it will represent a name. So what it will represent name? It will represent a name of a place. When I ask you where we are now means, you said what is that? It is we are in classroom. So that it represents a name of a place. When I asked your name, you said your name no. So it is called as a person. So person means it will represent only a human being. Myself, you, your father, your mother. So all will come under a name of a person. Okay, this is it is called noun. Remember children, a noun means it's a naming word. It represents the name of your place, name of your person. Not only that, it will represent name of an animal also. Do all the animals are having a name? We are categorized the animal which are living with us, domestic, the animal which are living in the forest, wild animal. In domestic, which we are living together in nearer with our house, inside our home, we call it as a pet animal. Anyhow, there are names we are categorizing now. So the name which is given to the animal, that is also what? It is also a noun. Next. Noun is a naming word. That name will given to the things also. What is this? This is a pen. What are you using for writing in your notebook? A pencil. So each and every objects are having a name. Okay. So what is a noun? Do you understand? Noun means it's a naming word. What is means, ma? It is a naming word. What are all have names? It will represent the name of a place, a person, an animal, or a thing. So these are called what? It is a noun. Now let me see the example. Example of nouns. I told you first one is a place, no? So place means it may be a city or village. So commonly I am using a city. I did not mention any particular name of a city, particular name of a village. Just I have used a commonly. See the images. It's a city or village. It may represent a country. So these are what? These are name of a place. Okay. Now can you give one more example of a place? A school. School will be in where? It will be in one particular place, isn't it? So the particular name of a place is called what? It is a noun. Next one, it will represent a name of a person. Okay. So example I have given here is father, mother. Even here I did not mention any one of a father. Just I have used it commonly. Father means any one of your father, any one of your mother. So they may have a name of no. So this is called noun. This is the example for a person. Okay, remember children, noun means naming word. I have given already example for a place. Now a person. Keep remember because we are going to do with this an exercise. Next one, a noun. What is this? Can you guess? Yeah, everyone are very, very familiar. This is very most dangerous animals, no? Lion and tiger. Lion and tiger. And what is this? This is a dog. Do they have a name? Yes? Yes. I am not asking the name which you kept for it. Commonly it is a dog. This is a lion. This is a tiger. We are calling with the name of an animal. Do they have a name? Yes. That naming word is called what? It is a noun. Next. Noun means naming word, represent a place, a person or an animal. Now last one, a things. So all the things, just think and tell me, do all the things are having a name? Any of the object do not have any name? When I ask what is that means, what will you say? This is my book, this is my note. So though it contains a name, you are telling the name of the thing, isn't it? So that name is called, it represents the noun. Okay, what is a noun, children? Noun is a naming words. It belongs to what? A person, a place, an animal or a thing. So which are all having a name, all those considered as what ma? It is a noun. Do you understand? Shall we do an exercise? You will feel better when we do exercise. Okay, so with that, see that every sentence is as a noun. When we are speaking, when we are reading or learning, all these sentences definitely will have a noun. Okay, so even when I ask you questions, where are you going to go means, you will say I am going to go my home. So the home is what? It is a place, no. Is that how it contain a noun? Like that, whenever we are talking, whenever we are reading, all these sentences definitely will contain a noun. Without noun, there will not be any sentences. See that there are words to name fruits and vegetables. Just when I use a fruits and vegetables, how do you know which fruit I am representing? So that fruit particularly will have a name, no. Example, orange. Vegetables, cabbage. So each and every fruit and vegetables are having a name, isn't it? Next one, there are words to name animals and birds. Okay, just like that animal, when I say, what do you understand? Will you say whether it is a domestic animal, whether it is a pet animal, whether it is a wild animal? We cannot predict which animal I am asking, isn't it? So that all the animal will have a specific name for that. Example, cat, cow, peacock. So more than that we have. After the class I will ask you, you have to tell me the answer for my question. Okay, got it? Children, again one more time, what is a noun? Noun is a naming words. It represents the name of a place, a person, an animal or a thing. Keep remember, with that note you are going to do this exercise. I am going to ask you a question, you are going to tell me the answer. That miss will do a circle. Ready? Circle the correct answer. What is this? B-A-N-A-N-A. What is that? Banana. Tell me, banana, whether it is a fruit or animal? Is that animal? Everyone would like to have a banana, no? It contains vitamins and minerals, isn't it? So it is a fruit. So circle the fruit, isn't it? Got it? So banana is a name. It is what? It is a fruit. Second one, what is it? A-C-T-O-R, actor. Whom we will call as actor? The people who are acting in a cinema or a movie or a drama, we will call them as a actor. Okay, now with this note, can you guess and tell me the correct answer? An actor is a thing or person. Whether this object will go and dance, it will go and play a role? No, a person only can play a role, isn't it? So what is the correct answer, children? Person. Very good. Now third one. This is, you are very familiar, isn't it? C-O-W. What? It is cow. C-O-W. Cow. Cow is thing, no? Am I right? Is that a thing? No, it is an animal. Cow is an animal. Very good. You got it very soon. Now, this is also very familiar. Without this, we will not learn. What is the name of a place? See this. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Even myself itself give well the answer. School is a place or person. Got it. Very good. It is place. It is a place. Next, fifth one, pen. It is used for writing, no? It will use for making note, to underline the sentences. So it is useful. Whether it is a place, it's a place or thing. Yes, it is a thing. Next one, D-U-C-K, duck. During last lesson we learned about the duck, tippy duck. Do you remember this? Duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Whether it's a fruit or bird. Fruit or bird? Yes, it is a bird. So now you got it, how to categorize a person, a place, an animal or a thing. Very good. Shall we do one more exercise? It will give you more clarification and you will feel better to do this. Okay. See, I have given some more examples. Bag, father, bank, plate, market, nurse. Miss will read for you. You tell me whether it belongs to a person, place or thing. When you say, I will write under those columns. Okay. Now write the following words in the correct column. The first column is a person. Second column is a place. Third one, a thing. Can you categorize now? One by one. First one, bag. B-A-G, bag. Is this a person? This bag is useful for us. You are carrying your book. You are carrying your lunch bag. Whether it's a person or place or thing. Yes, this is thing. Now write down. Write it down in under this column of thing. Good. Second one, anyone can say this? Father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. Is he a place or thing or a person? I told you person means will represent only a human being. So they are a person. So write the father under the column of a person. Next, third one, B-A-N-K, bank. Okay, this is a what? Here money will be transferred, money can be saved. So what is that? It is a place. So write the name of a bank under the column of place. Got it? Next, fourth one, plate. P-L-A-T-E. It is used to keep a things or it used to have a food, no? So that is a what, ma? It is a thing. So where I have to write person, place, thing. So under the thing column, you write the name of a plate. Yes. Next one, fifth is market. Okay. Here all the things are available in this place. So that market should I write under the column of a place. Last one, nurse. They are very important for us. When we got into any sick or illness, they will treat and from but we will get recovery. No, they are one of the person to give a care for us, isn't it? So who are they? Nurse. Are they person, place or thing? Yes, exactly, they are nurse. Is a person. So write under the column of person. So this is a few examples I have given you children. Like this, you too try to do by your own. So you can feel better to categorize a noun. What is noun? Naming words. Naming words means it will represent a name of a person, a place, an animal or a thing. With this note, we'll continue on the next topic of next class. Thank you children.